Dr. Whoot by MORELLI, Special Treatment version 3. We've got electric diamonds in the sky in this white section over here, right behind the owl, for version 1. And then for version 2, we've got magenta crystals that we have sprinkled on the red sort of smoke, the red areas behind in the background right over there. And also labradorite crystals that we've sprinkled on the green areas. And finally for version 3, we've got blue fireflies that we have sprinkled on the TARDIS. So simply place them on the areas of the phone booth that you would like to have some glow-in-the-dark beads when you turn off all the lights at night. This would just add it sort of a surprising touch, and I think it would make it look magical. So once again, for Dr. Whoot by MORELLI version 3 special treatment, we've got electric diamonds, magenta crystals, labradorite crystals, as well as blue fireflies.